Good day, everybody, wherever you are. This is Fomo from Evangelist. You see, this video, I don't want to do this video before, but at the same time, I need to do this video. Not because of anything, but just to say my opinion on what I watch online today. No, today, because we are what is by the time now? This is 3:52. I watched it around maybe 1 or 2 of. So today, you see, I would love to speak Yoruba with my words because this thing happened among Yoruba Nollywood. You see, Yoruba people, most especially those of you that call yourself Muslim. You see, most of our fast, please, as you are coming across this video, please, I'm begging in the name of God, please. I want you people to help me to share these videos. And I want you to reach that man. Hey, I did not even know the name of that man. But Mr. Femi Adebayo, I want this video to reach him as well. So that he will be able to help me to post it for that man to see. Please. You see, I'm not laughing at anybody. I'm not making jest of anybody. Don't look at my look, how ugly I am. Don't look at it. You understand? Just listen to my words and listen to the sense in my words. You understand? Please help me to share this video. I'm begging in the name of God. You see, most of you that you call yourself Alpha in Yoruba land, like generally, I'm talking about generally, most especially those of you that carry that your religious, most of you that carry it on your head. Like you did not follow what Quran say again. You have turned that Quran, the word of God, you have turned it to God. Go, 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 go. Like you have turned the things that God used that Muslim people should be using. You have turned those things to God. Like you are not referring those things to things again. You are referring like you have turned those things to God. You understand? You have turned those things that God gave us to be using. You have turned them to God. Go, go. You are now serving those things as God. This video is for you. You see those of you that call yourself Alpha. Those I'm not talking about the civilized ones. So I'm not talking about the ones that know that there is nature. I'm not talking about the ones that believe in their own traditions. Like they know that there is traditions, there is nature, there is God. I'm not talking about those ones. Those of you that when someone is going to decide, you talk upside down. That are the people I'm talking to. Okay? You see, you guys, you need excursion to Arab country. You people, you need excursion to Arab country. If you want to go, don't go with plane. Not all the Saudi Arabia that you people are going to. Mi ò sọ nípa ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń lọ sí Saudi, tẹ́ máa sọ pé lọ kí àsàfámọ́rúwà o. Mi ò sọ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń lọ sí Mecca o. I'm talking about ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa lọ sí ìlú àràbò. Like ẹ máa lọ, bóyá ẹ máa lọ pẹ̀lú plane náà ni o. Tẹ́ bá lọ, ẹ ní gbé láàrin àwọn olówó, ẹ ní gbé láàrin hotel, ẹ ní gbé ní hotel. Ẹ máa lọ gbé pẹ̀lú àwọn Nigerians tí wọ́n rent a room. Tó máa rent face me and slap you. Tó máa rent 3 bedroom flat. Táwọn bí mẹ́jọ máa wà ń bẹ̀. Ibẹ̀ lẹ máa lọ o. Tẹ́ fi máa lọ ṣe excursion yín. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pera yín ní àáfà, ẹ mú ẹ̀sìn tó ń gbé wá fún yín, ẹ gbé sórí ju àwọn tó ní ẹ̀sìn lọ. Àwọn tó ní ẹ̀sìn, wọ́n ń sọ fún yín, wọ́n dé ẹ̀dìgbà tẹ́lẹ̀ kakúrẹ́ àyẹn. Báyìí ló ṣe ní kẹ́ ṣe rìn o. Ẹ̀yin á wá rìn báyìí. Ẹ wá rìn báyìí. Ẹ wá sojú ẹ̀ délẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin yẹn ni mo ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé ẹ ti gba ẹ̀sìn ju ẹlẹ́sìn lọ, even ó wà nínú àwọn Christian náà, ó wà nínú àwọn traditionalist náà. Like ẹ ti gba ẹ̀sìn ju àwọn tó ní ẹ̀sìn lọ. Ẹ ti mú ẹ̀sìn yẹn, ẹ ti sọ torí kodò, ẹ ti sọ di nǹkan míì. Ẹ̀yin yẹn ni mo ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ o. Ẹ need láti lọ sí ìlú àwọn àràbò, that is Arab country. Ẹ need excursion. Ẹ ní lọ even àwọn ibi tó bá máa ń gba ilẹ̀ lọ bí Libya yẹn, ẹ need láti lọ síbẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ máa lọ sí irú Libya, ẹ má gba plane. Ṣó ti yín? Tẹ́ bá máa lọ sí irú Libya yẹn, ẹ má gba plane. Níṣe ni kẹ́ gba land. Kẹ́ gbọ̀nà tán ẹnu desert kẹ́ fi wọlé. Kẹ́ wá lọ kẹ́ wọlé báwọn Sudan, àwọn Niger, bó ṣe máa ń wọ Arab country yẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kẹ́ ṣe lọ sí àwọn Arab country yẹn o. Tunisia náà, wọ́n ní Tunis náà, wọ́n ní àwọn ó dà pé Christian náà pé bẹ́ẹ̀, but Tunis náà, wọ́n ní Arab country náà ni. Kẹ́ lọ síbẹ̀, kẹ́ gba ilẹ̀ wọlé, kẹ́ wá lọ gbé láàrin àwọn Nàìjíríà, kẹ́ wá máa bá àwọn white yẹn, kẹ́ máa bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ ní ìdí gidi gan, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pé ayé láfa ní Nàìjíríà, ẹ ní ìdí ẹ̀ gan. Because ẹ kọ́ máa sọ nǹkan tó ń gbé lẹ́yìn lọ́wọ́, ẹ̀yin fúnra yín lẹ gbà. Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá gba Quran lọ́rọ̀ dọ̀dọ̀, wọ́n máa ń mú ẹ̀yin yàtọ̀ sí àwọn tó lọ́wọ́ ń gbéṣẹ́ lé lọ́wọ́. Because mo believe pé ẹni tó lọ́wọ́ bá gbéṣẹ́ lé lọ́wọ́ kankan kò lè sọ pé òun fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ òdì sínú ayé ọmọ anybody. Ẹ̀dá tó lọ́wọ́ bá gbé iṣẹ́ Quran tó gbé lé lọ́wọ́ àbí gbéṣẹ́ Bible lé lọ́wọ́ kò lè sọ pé òun fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ òdì kan sínú ayé anybody wípé láti ìran kìíní títí dé ìran keje. I'm still coming on the matter that makes me to come on this matter. Whosoever God gives work to, whosoever, is that Christian or traditionalist or Muslim or whosoever that God call, will never say he or she is going to speak negative words into the life of anyone. To the extent that the person will say, from that person's generation to the 7th generation, that is how you will know the people that God call and the people that by force they enter God's heart and lying that it's God that called them. Because before God will call you, God will make you to know that in His way, in God's way, there is nothing like negativity. Everything about God is positive. Even when you preach to someone, if this person did not accept, it doesn't give you authority to speak anything negative into that person's life. Yoruba, most especially Muslim people, Yoruba. Nǹkan tí Quran tá àdìsí gan sọ ẹ sọ pé àdìsí sọ ọ̀tọ̀ ní bí àdìsí ṣe máa sọ ọ̀tọ̀ ní bẹ́yìn ṣe máa yí sí ṣé wọ́n fi ṣe yín ní Yorùbá ṣé wọ́n fi ṣe yín ní ẹ̀yin Yorùbá. There was a video I watched this afternoon, this morning. I was shocked. I was like, I'm not going to say anything about the video. It's all this actress of it, you know. So me, I was just looking at, but the thing don't make sense, because I was even thinking that me, I've not watched the video. So maybe bloggers are just carrying the rumor. So that is why I said I'm not going to say anything about the video. That maybe bloggers are carrying rumor. So I said that I'm not going to say anything about the video. Not until this morning. I watched the movie. I saw the man tie lawani. I don't know how to call the lawani. Like that scarf that all those Muslim alpha used to tie, the man tied. So the man was in the car. The man was saying that, that Mr. Bello did not train, what's his name? That Mr. Bello did not train Mr. Femi very well. That Mr. Bello Adebayo did not train Mr. Femi Adebayo very well. That they have been saying a lot of things about the man. He's just looking at the man like that. They're not knowing that the man is so. He shall speak the word somehow. That is going to show that man what he made of. That Connie he's supposed to look after his father the way his father used to make movie, and he should be using it to make movies. They did not train him well. They did not do this. Like sometimes, Yoruba people, before you conclude on something, or most especially before you conclude on people's business, always think very well. Business that you know nothing about, business that you don't know how they made it, you don't know how they you don't know how the business go. Don't go and conclude on people's businesses. Àwa Yorùbá ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa conclude lórí nǹkan ní nǹkan tí kò ṣe tiwa, nǹkan tá à lẹ́nu lórí ẹ̀, a dẹ̀ máa conclude lórí ẹ̀, a máa pàṣẹ lórí ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwa la dá ẹni yẹn. Àṣẹ tí àwọn òbí ẹlòmíì gan ò lè pa, a máa pa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún. Kí ló dé táwa Yorùbá tá máa ń ṣe bí ẹni pa ọjọ́ náà? Why? A máa ń ṣe bí ẹni pa ọjọ́ náà. Tá bá help àwọn èèyàn náà báyìí, a máa wá pé káwọn ẹni yẹn kọ́ máa dọ̀bálẹ̀ níwájú wa bíbí kíní. I don't know. Ẹ̀yin gan sef, ẹ̀yin èèyàn yín lè máa ń jẹ́ kó máa bú everybody ní social media wípé ta ló ti ẹ̀pin social media kan àwọn eléyìí. You see sometimes tí ẹlòmíì bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní Facebook, máa wò pé báwo ló ṣe pín Facebook kan ẹni yìí? Most especially Yorùbá, the way tẹ́lòmíì bá sọ̀rọ̀ Facebook, máa wò pé báwo ló ṣe pín Facebook tó ṣe kan ẹni yìí? Okay, imagine. Baba Afa, I've forgotten. I don't know the name of that Afa. I don't know. The Afa was like, he's looking at them. They should release the movie first. They will now see what will happen to them from their generation to the 7th generation. Baba Afa, before you release the course, because as you said inside that video, you said you will let them understand that you are the one that God is answering. You will tell God the way you want it, and God will let it happen. So as a man, as a mature man, as a man of God that you are, you can tell God and it will happen the way you want it. You did not tell God to help us to do this our country called Nigeria to be okay. I'm not being rude. Please just watch this video before you judge or before you swear or before you say anything. I'm not being rude. And I will explain to you how they make movies before you go and tell them not to release one. Okay? But let me first stop this. As a man of God, you know how to pray very well that God will answer. You did not pray for your country to be okay. Okay, when someone do bad, you did not pray for that person that God should change the person's mind, that the person should change to good. But you know how to pray to spoil the person's life. Is that the part of what God gives you to do? Is that the part of the Quran that you carry? Because people will say, because tó bá ti di pé a ti ń sọ pé a máa ṣe nǹkan báyìí tó ti jẹ́ nǹkan aburú fún yàn, a ti ń di ìka ní wa ó ti ń ju tàjẹ́ lọ. As Afa, even tẹ́ bá mọ Quran, tẹ́ mọ wájú, tẹ́ mẹ̀yìn, tẹ́ mọ àárín, ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa fi ṣe ibi. Because oore náà sọ pé oore ń wọ́ ọ̀tọ̀. Even tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ sọ fún Mr. Femi Adebayo pé kó má release, movie yẹn tí wọ́n bá padà release ẹ̀ ṣé bí kẹ́ ṣe wọ́n níbi ni láti generation dé generation mi nìkáàbù tẹ́ ń pariwo ṣẹ́yìn lẹ́ni nìkáàbù kẹ́tẹ̀ tó lè sọ pé kíni gan kí ni ìtumọ̀ nìkáàbù gangan. Please, I want those of you that will understand this language. Like, I would like you people to watch this video to the end. What is the meaning of niqab? What are they using niqab for? When we are not talking about movies, what is the meaning of movies? What are they what are they using movies to do? My own little way of understanding, I did not go to school. I did not come here. I did not call you people here to come and teach me English. You people should just put your own opinion under the comment section. Let's see. When we are talking about movies, they are making movies to make us to know things that is happening in the world. They are only making us they are only using it to teach us things that a lot of people are using godly things to cover just to deceive people, just to disguise. They are only using movie to let us know that there are a lot of bad people out there. That a lot of people come to us all in the name of we think that they are good, but they are coming to do us another thing. Normally, the movie, I've not watched it. I don't even know what the movie is about. But I know that when they are making movies to teach us things. Even all these skits that a lot of people are making, they are making skits to teach us things. They are telling us what have been happening. If you watch very well, when they are making movie, they are using it to talk about some people's story. Before you make skits or you make movies or anything, it's about maybe things that you have experienced. That is what they are making in movie. The things that maybe their friends has experienced. Some people, it's about the story that they have had. It's about the legends, like about things that have happened in the past. Okay, now, Mr. Femi Adebayo now make movies that people use niqab to go and rob bank, or where did they say they rob? Okay, fine. Okay, inside the story of the movies that I want to make, inside the story, is niqab that they used to cover face to go and rob the bank. Alpha, don't be angry. Are you not expecting him to change niqab to pint or bra? Because I don't understand though. I don't understand. And when you are making movies, you have to make it real so that people will know that, okay, this story is real story. Some people real life story that you are trying to narrate in the movie. Tẹ́ bá make a movie, Alpha, tẹ́ bá make a movie, ẹ̀yin èèyàn náà tẹ́ support wípé nǹkan tí màá yẹn sọ dá. Èmi ò sọ pé ó dá, mi dẹ̀ sọ pé kò dá. But nǹkan tèmi sọ ni wípé tó bá ṣe movie, tó bá ṣe film, wọ́n máa ń ṣe film nípa story nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn èèyàn sẹ́yìn. Ṣé rí a lot of àwọn videos táwọn èèyàn, àwọn movies táwọn èèyàn, is it that nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìyá ẹlòmíì? Is it that nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí bàbá ẹlòmíì? Is it that story tẹ́lòmíì ti gbọ́? Is it that story tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹlòmíì fúnra ra ẹ̀? Òun náà fi make àwọn movies tá à ń rí yẹn. Ìyẹn ló jẹ́ kí a lot of àwọn èèyàn náà ká máa kọ́gbọ́n so that àní for victim nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn èèyàn sẹ́yìn rí. Okay, Mr. Femi Adebayo wá ṣe film, wọ́n wá lo niqab, wọ́n fi cover ojú, wọ́n lọ fi rọ́ọ̀bù bank àbí ilé kan náà lọ fi rọ́ọ̀bù. Mi ì tí ì wo movie ọ̀hún mi mọ̀ bí ó ṣe jáde. Afá yìí wá dìde, wọ́n wá ní kọ́ má release movie yẹn o. Nǹkan lọ́hùn, nǹkan kinní kan, òun náà fẹ́ ta ẹrọ̀fọ̀ bá kinní kan. Ṣé bí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ló fi ń ṣe movie? Nínú story tí wọ́n gbọ́ ìtọ́ fẹ́ fi ṣe movie, niqab ni wọ́n fi bojú táwọn people yẹn ló fi jalè. Ṣé bí ìgbà tó fẹ́ ṣe movie yẹn, ṣe bí wọ́n máa ṣe á real bí story tí wọ́n gbọ́ yẹn ni? Ṣé wá expect pé kí wọ́n change niqab tó fi bojú yẹn táwọn olè yẹn fi disguise yẹn? Ṣé wá expect wípé kí wọ́n change ẹ̀ sí pint ní àbí bra? Àbí expect pé kí wọ́n change ẹ̀ sákìsà? Báwo ni ẹ ṣe fẹ́ kí àwọn tó wà ní báǹkì, àwọn tó wà nílé, báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé àwọn ìkà kan wà tí wọ́n máa ń tafà sínú ìmọ́lẹ̀, tó máa ń wà nínú òkùnkùn, tó máa ń tafà sínú ìmọ́lẹ̀? Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn ká kọ́gbọ́n wípé àwọn kan wà o, wọ́n máa ń lo niqab láti fi ṣiṣẹ́ ibi? Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ kí àwa ọ̀dọ́ ìsinyìí, báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé okay o, àwọn kò ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn tá bá pè ní Muslim òun ni Muslim gidi? Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ ká ṣe mọ̀ wípé okay o, àwọn èèyàn náà tó ń gbé Bible, tó ń gbé Quran, onírọ́ wà nínú wọn, olóòótọ́ wà nínú wọn? Ẹ jáde ń sìn, ẹ ń sọ pé wọn kọ́ wọn dáadáa, wọn ṣe kinní kan dáadáa, wọn ṣe kinní kan dáadáa. Tí fíìmù yẹn bá jáde, Alpha ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú, ṣe rántí pé owó náà fi make fíìmù ṣá? Àwọn òṣèré ńláńlá gbọ̀ngàn tó wà nínú àwọn movies yẹn, tèmi rí nínú only fọ́tò iwájú movie yẹn, ṣé mo yẹ tán máa ná ṣá? Owó kan fẹ́ jẹun lásán, pé wọ́n fẹ́ pe caterer wá tó máa dáná, fẹ́ everybody máa jẹun, ṣé mo yẹ tán ná? Okay, nídìí ọrọ̀ ajé wọn, ẹ̀yin lẹ máa wá sọ fún wọn nǹkan tó máa ṣe, nǹkan tí wọn ò ní ṣe. Ṣebí wọ́n make movie láti fi kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n ni? Ọlọ́pàá èwo ń tèpè? Ṣé wọ́n sọ pé tẹ bá ti correct àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n bá gbọ́ àfi kẹ́ ẹ ṣépè fún àwọn àtìrán wọn ni? Afá ẹ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀ ńlẹ̀, ṣé ẹ̀yin nìkan làfáà ni? Ṣé ẹ̀yin lè máa kọ́kọ́ jà fáà ni? Ṣé ẹ̀yin nìkan kan pàápàá? ṣé ẹ̀yin gangan, ṣé ìlú yín gangan, tó bá yẹ pé Nàìjíríà nìyí o, tó bá yẹ pé Nàìjíríà nìyí, tó bá yẹ pé Yorùbá nìyí o, tó bá yẹ pé Yorùbá nìyí o, ṣé ìlú yín gangan ṣóun ló ní Quran? ṣé country yín gangan ṣóun ló ní Quran? ṣe bí Arabic náà fi kọ Quran? ṣe wọ́n sọ pé Quran yìí jábọ́ látọ̀run wá pẹ̀lú Arabic nínú ni? èdè tán bí ẹ̀yin sí ṣé èdè Arabic ni? kí ló dé tẹ gbẹ̀sìn jọ lẹ́sìn lọ? bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yín gọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ ṣe gbé gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́ yìí ẹlòmíì kan máa wà gọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ tó máa fẹ́ di muslim tó dẹ̀ máa tí ò dẹ̀ ní padà di muslim yẹn mọ́ torí ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ̀sán yìí. ẹ má bínú ẹ ní discussion ẹ lọ sí ìlú àwọn Àràbò ẹ lọ wo àwọn ìtumọ̀ àwọn kinní yìí tí wọ́n bá lo nìkàb láti fi kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n kò sí nǹkan tó bá dín bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá lo ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run tó bá lo Korean láti fi kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n kò sí nǹkan tó bá dín bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn tó bá lo Bible láti fi kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n kò sí nǹkan tó bá dín bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn tó ń take nǹkan personal ẹ kàn ń take nǹkan personal okay ẹ má imagine èèyàn fi almost 5 million 4 million plus gọ́sẹ̀ fún ma wà lẹ́yìn ẹlòmíì fi 10 million fi produce movie ẹyọ kan. iṣẹ́ ìgbà tó máa jáde lọ tó máa ṣe wàhálà lọ tó máa lọ wá location tó máa lò tó máa make sense ṣé ìgbà tó máa kọ́ dictate lórí àwọn aṣọ tó máa wọ̀ báwo ló ṣe máa make sense ìgbà tó máa kọ́ lọ fi mọ́tò kó gbogbo àwọn èèyàn pé báwo làwọn ṣe fẹ́ ṣọ̀rọ̀ mọ́tò yìí o báwo làwọn ṣe fẹ́ rí mọ́tò tó máa gba gbogbo èrò ni wọ́n wá ṣe gbogbo wàhálà yẹn tó wá fi make movie ẹ wá ní pé kó má release ẹ̀ àfáà tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin níṣẹ́ máa gbarú ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kẹ́ tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ social media ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa ronú ẹ máa fọ̀rọ̀ lọ àwọn èèyàn ẹ má fọ̀rọ̀ lu àwọn èèyàn ẹ bá ń bínú gan sef tó bá yẹ pé mọ̀ pé ẹni tó máa ń bínú gidi ni ẹ try ẹ máa cool temper ẹ try ẹ máa control ìbínú yín ẹ try ó kì í sìn ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ bínú sí tẹ́ ẹ bínú tẹ́ fẹ́ lọ la àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni lépè láti ìran irú Mr. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ yẹn títí dé ìran wọn keje ẹni náà kakọ sọmọ làkejì òun làwọn àgbàlagbà pé ìyókù máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ ẹ̀yin náà máa fara kún bẹ́ẹ̀ because ìran wọn keje tẹ́ ẹ sọ yẹn ẹ mọ̀ bóyá àwọn ọmọ yín wọ́n ṣe máa padà pàdé ọmọ Mr. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ wọn máa fẹ́ wọn fújọ ẹ máa ronú ọjọ́ iwájú kẹ́ tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ń sọ pé ẹ máa dí pẹ̀lú ikú ló ń pa àwọn èèyàn wẹkun lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ kan náà yìí kódò lákì Mr. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ kan kọsẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kẹ́ni lẹ́ni kọsẹ̀ tó bá wá gbé yín tó sọ pé yín nìkan tí màá yẹn bá ṣe tó sì tó lọ fọlọ́pàá gbé yín pẹtrẹ́tì nínú online ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ máa sọ wípé máa yẹn fọwọ́ lágbà yín lójú ẹ ní pọ́n fọwọ́ lágbà yín lójú ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ Mr. Bello tọ́ wọn ni Mr. Bello tọ́ ìgbà tí Mr. Bello fi ṣe fíìmù tí Wùmí yìí ń wọ pátákiri táwọn èèyàn ṣe fíìmù ìgbà tó fi ṣe fíìmù ṣé tẹ̀yin bá rí pépà fíìmù Mr. Bello ta tẹ̀yin bá rí pépà fíìmù Mr. Bello ta ṣé ẹ̀yin máa lọ bá Mr. Bello pé kí fíìmù wọn má jáde ṣe rí opportunity tọ́lọ́run fún wa lórí social media yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa ṣì lò being àfáà ni being pastor ni being normal speaker online speakers being bloggers please let's mind the way we talk if you don't know things about people don't say it let's mind the way we talk and in our talk in our doings let fear of God show you don't talk to people as if you are talking to someone that you are feeding. Normally you are angry, normally you know how to call God. Where some people are tying it, that is where God also creates people that are losing it. I'm not saying that you did not have the power. I'm not saying that what you are trying to say is not real. But this niqab that we are talking about, it is material, not God. It is material that God creates for us to use. It depends on how you use it. This same niqab, people are using it to rob. People are using it to disguise, just to do bad thing. And a lot of people are using it to disguise, just to do good thing. This is what movie is all about. Movie is trying to show you that it's not everybody that you see that is good. Movie is trying to tell us that it's not everybody that call you friend, that they are your friends. It's not everybody that you see as your customer. This movie, when this movie comes out now, it will touch some people's hearts. It will make some people change to good. It will make some people sit up. It will make some people repent. That is what film is all about. And you're not saying that you will show them what you are made of. You will show them what you are made of. You will show them what you are made of. When we are talking about Quran and Bible, is it about swearing for people? Is it about raising curses on people? This Mr. Bello that we are talking about, among Mr. Bello's children, even the ones that he raised, the one that did not go to Quran school, if they can't, I know sure say they. Eléyìí tí kò lọ sí school like tí kò lọ sí ilé ìwé kéwú nínú àwọn Mr. Bello tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ even Mr. Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ tẹ́ sọ pé kó má release movie gan eléyìí tí kò lọ sí ilé kéwú nínú àwọn ọmọ wọn tó bá ka wọn pé méjì ìfàtọ̀ tó bá wà gan mi ṣọ́ọ̀pù wà tẹ́ bá ti ka ojú Kùránì ẹ máa ka ẹ̀yìn ẹ máa ka dáadáa tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ti ka dáadáa ẹ máa jókòó nígbà míì ẹ máa ronú ẹ má kàn máa bọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ láì kàn máa sọ̀rọ̀ torí pé tí ń wé láwà ní àbí tó pé ẹ ti ń sọ Kùránì àbí tó pé ẹ má kàn máa sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá ti dé ìlú àwọn Àràbórí ẹ máa understand nǹkan tí mo ń sọ this Korean or Muslim kìnìkan kò lè tó gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn ṣe mú Nàìjíríà most especially Yorùbá people the way all you are fast in Yoruba land a lot of you not all jare most of you are fast in Yoruba land the way you people carry this religious I fear God oh Even people that are Arab self, did you not carry religion upside down like we Yoruba? Yoruba people, you carry everything on head. Even when we are talking about Christian, this is how you carry it on head. If we are talking about Muslim, you carry it on head. You carry all this, everything that you read in Quran, everything that you read in the Bible, you put it on your head that as if it's all about your life. You imagine it as if it's happening. What have happened in the past? Nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn, ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbé sórí kí ló dé? So ọ̀rọ̀ movies òun lè wá fẹ́ fi ṣépè fún àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣépè fún wọn ẹ má bínú àfa ó possible kí ìrànyìn náà jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ because ibi tá a máa dé lọ́la ọlọ́run ọba nìkan ṣoṣo òun ló mọ̀ ọ̀la nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ with this in the next seconds ọlọ́run ọba nìkan ṣoṣo ló mọ̀ ṣe understand so kẹ́ tó lọ ṣépè fún àwọn kan kẹ́ ẹ rántí ẹ bímọ tẹ́ ẹ bá dẹ̀ ti bí ẹ ṣì máa bí àrọ́mọdọ́mọ yín náà máa bímọ kẹ́ ẹ tó lọ réèsì èpè fáwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ àwọn tí a bá táwọn réèsì èpè fún gan papá gan àti ìlà táwọn torí àwọn tẹ́ wá fẹ́ lọ réèsì èpè fún lẹ́yìn ègún táwọn baba ńlá wa ti fi lélẹ̀ èyí tún fẹ́ máa ṣépè fáwọn kan nínú sẹ́ńtúrì tí gbogbo ayé ń wá ìlọsíwájú tí gbogbo ayé ń wá ìṣe rere yìí ẹ mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ fún yàn ní Nàìjíríà rí bó ṣe rí yẹn ìgbà tẹ́ mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ fún yàn ládùúrú gbogbo àdúrà kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ gbàdúrà kí Nàìjíríà dájú bó ṣe wà yẹn lọ epo wọn ata wọn gbogbo nǹkan wọn ẹ màdúrà gbà fún yàn ẹ gbàdúrà fún Nàìjíríà kò change sí dáadáa petrol náà sọ pé ó ti di 1,300 yẹn I better pass my neighbor mi ìrẹ́pọ̀ ra sí ẹ màdúrà gbà tó yẹ kọ́lọ́run gbà ẹ sọ fọ́lọ́run wípé képo wálẹ̀ láti 1,300 kó di 300 orí ẹ̀ kátẹ̀sí kọ́kọ́ máa fọwọ́n rẹ̀ yẹn lọ́nà ata ló di oró mẹ́rin 200 àbẹ́ èlò náà pé yẹn gbogbo nǹkan ló ń gbówó lórí Nàìjíríà kò sí kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ ṣe sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe màdúrà yín gbà tó kẹ́ fi ṣépè fún ọmọlọ́mọ kẹ́ fi báyé ọmọlọ́mọ jẹ́ lẹ́mu ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin àfáà wa ẹjọ́ eléyìí tẹ́ báyé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ tó ó tiẹ̀ ti fi hàn gan èyí tẹ́ báyé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ tó ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin àfáà tẹ́ bá ṣe ń ké tẹ́ ṣe ń ké tùmù ẹ rántí pé èèyàn máa jẹ́ movies wọ́n ṣe láti fi kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n ni wọ́n ò fi táì rẹ̀ bá anything bẹ́ẹ̀ náà làwọn kan sọ̀rọ̀ nípa woman Mrs. Yinka TNT yẹn tẹ́ fi bring page wọn down lọ́dún yẹn tẹ́ fi bà nǹkan wọn jẹ́ lọ́dún yẹn kí ló dé tó wọ́n bá kọrin ẹ listen sí lyrics wọ́n kọrin láti fi express feelings wọn láti fi kọ́ yín lọ́gbọ́n ni láti fi sọ ìtàn àwọn kan ni tó bá ṣe movie wọ́n ṣe pé láti fi kọ́ yín lọ́gbọ́n láti fi express feelings láti fi sọ ìtàn àwọn kan ni tó bá ṣe skit àwọn skit tó ń fọ́ nìyẹn náà wọ́n ṣe pé kí ni yín fi dùn kẹ́ fi rẹ́rìn-ín and kẹ́ fi kọ́gbọ́n ni òun ṣe wípé bóyá fi ta ẹrẹ̀ bá anything so láti nílò ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin Muslim ẹ̀yin Christians kẹ́ tó lè máa rẹ́ẹ̀sì courses kẹ́ tó lè máa ṣe kíní kan ẹ máa wo ọgbọ́n tó wà nínú movies àbí nínú skit ẹ má máa take everything personal ẹ̀yin take everything personal mọ́ ẹ̀yin take everything personal tẹ́yìn bá gbé Quran èèyàn ní àwọn babaláwo èké lẹ́ máa rí tó máa ṣògùn èké tó máa ṣògùn kàṣẹ́ lómi pásítọ̀ èké wú lẹ́ máa rí tó máa gégùn lọ́mọlọ́mọ lórí àfáà tí ò dá mi sọ pé ẹ̀ dá o bọ̀ àfáà tí ò bá dá òun ló máa ń gégùn fún yàn bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún yín àfáà tó bá kọ́ṣẹ́ tó mọṣẹ́ tó good kò ní gégùn fún yàn. Peace out o thank you and please you guys should please I'm begging you guys in the name of God please follow F&J Gist and follow us on our YouTube channel we love you peace out.